síwájú ọkọ ó ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ aya o. Ìlọsíwájú aya o ó ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ ọkọ o. Ìlọsíwájú chief ó ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ Ireti o.
Ireti.
Lọ síwájú o.
Ireti. This one that you are reading all these big books. Are you the one in the kitchen?
Yes, so
Fuji. So what are you going to do with all those fat books in your mouth?
don't worry. It is a Spanish-French delicacy with a combination of peppered frog legs, mixed with cayenne and a pinch of Was it something I said? Olówó me.
Ireti, what happened?
I don't know. I was just telling him about an experiment I wanted to work on called Usramos Mangus.
Yeah! Baby, come.
Olówó me.
Ireti, get you for what I see.
Usramos Mangus. With peppered spicy frog legs.
Hey!
In this house, ordinary Usramos Mangus. They don't know. Hey! Never saw you where I try láti lajú ẹjọ́. Ìlọsíwájú ọkọ ó ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ aya o. Ìlọsíwájú chief mi ó ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ ìlú. Ó ṣé bàbá ó ṣé. Ọlọ́run alágbára tó jìyà sórí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi lórí àgbélébùú ọmọ. Eva! Hey, what's back? Hey, Usramos Mangus. Èyí jẹ́ Fuji mi olówó orí mi. Thank you, my dear. Hey, the Magnus Pranos will soon be ready, okay? Yes. Hey, toast the frog legs in the floor. Hey, wá gbà lónìí. Oúnjẹ Ireti, Usramos Mangus. What is it? Frog legs.
Frog legs did what?
For lunch.
How?
Frog soup.
With what? Semo?
That could be fun. Fun. With frog soup, Abby.
Semo, this woman is getting too foul. I am not going to eat any frog anything in this house.
Rabbi, come. We have to think of an alternative. If not, we'll die with hunger in this house.
Children, food is ready. It is Usramos and àwọn ọmọ kọ́ńtà, àwọn ọmọ rédèrèdè, àwọn ọmọ pákó, àwọn ọmọ nọ́ọ̀sì, àwọn ọmọ náàdà. Mo rán yín ni ìṣirò alága ìjọ ìṣirò abọ́gọ́ ẹgbẹ́ mọ̀.
my peaceful yellow banana.
Because Carol travel, that's why I'm now your yellow banana.
No, how can that be? Look, you have always been here. Hey, yellow. Please. That is Indomie smelling there now.
None of your business.
Please, you have gone to the mobile kitchen. Look, when you know that you are not supposed to buy food in this house when you are not the one in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I'm going to see this. Okay, all right, my sweet yellow baby. Please now. Look, hunger is killing me here.
Why won't hunger kill you? Why your wife is busy pronouncing and manuring toad frog legs inside?
It's okay.
Why can't go and
please come now. Please, oh, my yellow.
Mommy, I hope you enjoy it. It is going down. That's all the water. Oh, Sheo Baba, oh, Sheo Baba.
Jeez.
Oh, don't worry me. Hey, do I serve your lunch?
If you think that I, Tajudeen, Adebo and Fuji will eat the toad leg that you have cooked, then I beg you for me.
You say toad. But you said like chicken. Oh yes. Chicken toad. Biamo teacher. I hope you have not given my children any of that rubbish. Because it will begin to happen in this house.
Senior, it is, let me explain. No, Mommy, let me explain. It is as a result of some good culinary expert. It's my Ireti. Oh, Mommy.
Ireti.
Mommy.
Èmi Ọlákùnbí Àyìnkẹ́. So you cook toad for me for lunch?
Mommy. Usramos Mangus is a tossed peppered frog leg, not toad. Mommy, how can I give you toad?
Àtọ̀pọ̀lọ́ àti kọ̀ǹkọ̀. What differences?
What differences? It is an experiment for culinary.
Experiment kini? Ireti experiment kini o? Ireti. From now forward march, I will not eat any demede from you again. Because you are experiencing my life. You hear me? Ó ti ẹ̀ dá báyìí, ó dá báyìí. Má jẹ rárá.
Gbèrò. It is kokoroko. It's not Gbèrò ọkọ mi dán má dáwọ́ lọ. Ordinary Usramos Mangus in this house, that is what they don't know. Tẹ́ bá tún tú ayé yín wá, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ try láti wà civilized.
When will this executive meeting finish? I just see me ready.
Yes.
My stomach is singing and dancing at the same time here. I swear if I do something, I will die.
Maybe we should have tried Usramos Mangus.
Oh, I'm sorry for you. Maybe. See, if you eat Usramos Mangus, you will die with scapus. Mommy, see. She's cooking. She's preparing frogs. We can't even imagine it, and we're not eating it.
And this is her week. And that means that it is going to be a whole week of prancing and rambling. We just have to feed ourselves.
Yes, so.
Yeah.
What do we do now? Okay. What if we cook at night? Yeah? Eat very well and leave some in the morning.
But wait, the foodstuffs are in the store. And mommy see please be picking. How are we going to get this food?
And it's true. And we need foodstuffs and ingredients. So how will we do?
We buy some foodstuffs and steal the remaining from the store.
It's true. It will not work over because Bolaji will tell Papa if Papa asks him. Ngo.
Bolaji, if you tell Papa, you alone will eat the whole pot of frogs.
Yes. Everything.
But until then, what do we eat? I will die here.
You don't want to have to rush. This food is my own.
Wait now.
You don't know why I have to rush my own now. See. Ireti should be department from the cooking kitchen till forever. Till like no man. Leave me alone. You are very beautiful today. You are always beautiful. But not like today. Mama, don't tell me you want to do longer truth for this night. Me? Not at all. How can it? I'm not over for me, my dear. Okay. If you give me, I will show. Dream on! After you've loaded your tummy with Todus, Pranus, and Mbao.
Now, wait. No! Why don't you go and eat your Todus, Anus, operandus that taste like chicken? I want to eat part of this one.
Mama Mojimba, how are you people holding my hand now? Mbano. Mama Moji, go and look for your own people.
What's going on now? What's going on?
I miss all you guys. This one is new.
Yes, so I came home last year.
And I left last year.
Have you passed just?
Holy Moses.
Sule, do you by chance have anything to eat in that bag?
Plenty.
Wait.
Like no changes in Fuji house. Yeah. Keep my hat on, Mommy V.
Leave him. Let him be abusing his mother over there. Jumoke, gather your clothes, eh? Come and wash.
Mommy, wait, you can wash clothes too.
Good boy. Go and wash now. Abi detergent don't finish.
Can I come and wash in your room?
Mommy P, we too cannot eat Manu's frog so.
Why does everybody wants to go and wash clothes?
They are not washing any clothes. They are going to eat. We will see people prepared frogs.
Frogs?
Frogs. A special Spanish delicacy called Usramos Mangus.
Yes. It is Dios Capu.
Where are you going to?
Wallahi, I cannot eat frogs. Never. So I go. Sefi Sayanjima.
We did not eat the frog too.
You did not?
Why do you think we rushed your bread and kuli kuli?
It's because granite woga, not kuli kuli.
Whatever.
So, what is the plan now?
Plan. Get it
Yeah.
Later, I'll tell you. Stop as much as possible.
What was that?
Man, what was that?
See, all these parties without respect, people should watch themselves this night though.
Is it not Boki and his kule kule?
Was that why you stopped our Nasa canal this night?
No, it was not me.
So, it was me, Ote. And you two Aboki stop distributing kuli kuli. Whatever, just stop it. And you two stop shaking the bed. Stop shaking the bed. Quiet, go, let me sleep. Whatever, I just stop distributing kuli kuli.
You guys, it is time. Let us go. Now, hurry up.
on plantation. A Fuji